Welcome. In front of me I have Toothbrush Oclean X Pro, and I'm going to show you how easy you can pair this toothbrush to your Oclean application on your smartphone. So at the first we have to move for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type Oclean. We have to get the first app, this one. So when you download, you can simply open, then go right here on the left upper corner, click to add, press on your toothbrush to turn it on and click to add now. Right now it is searching and we have to select our toothbrush, click OK. The connection was failed, but click on this arrow and then just pull to refresh, click OK. As you can see, right now connection is successful and we can easily use our toothbrush and check, for example, the duration or just day of the use. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.